Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony 695. This is an amazing projector, one level up from the 295. MSRP on this is 10 grand. This is full native 4K. Let's see what's inside. You got a power cord, as well as the remote to the projector. Batteries are included. And then the projector itself. Let's take a look. Warranty card. Alright, what a beauty. You see they got some plastic here on the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Nice lens cover right here to keep it safe in shipping. And then one more cover. I'm gonna put this back on until we're ready to start it up, just because I want to keep it nice and clean. You look over here on the side, you have your power button, input, menu, toggles to navigate your menu, and then the lens adjustment. Here on the back, you got your power adapter, and then on the side, the right-hand side, you have your ports. You have USB RS-232, IR-in, your triggers, 1 and 2, HDMI inputs, 1 and 2, and then a LAN connection. And then I'll show you the top side of it. This is the Sony 695ES series, native 4K projector, VPL-VW. Now, this is just an unboxing. I'll show you guys once I actually get it up on the wall. Keep in mind, you're gonna need other things to go along with this projector, and we do sell all of these items. If you need a Blu-ray player, we recommend going with the 1000 series ES Sony Blu-ray, 4K Blu-ray player. We also have screens. Today we're gonna be using the Screen Innovations Black Diamond Pro Zero Edge model. We have speakers for a full Atmos system, receivers, amplifier, universal remotes, pretty much anything you guys need to complete your home theater. We do have the best pricing, guaranteed. Give me a call, shoot me an email, make sure to subscribe down below for more videos. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.